Hi everyone. Personalizing your digital workspace is a great way to make collaboration feel more human. Today I'm going to walk you through the updated 2025 process for changing your profile picture in ClickUp. Your avatar is the visual representation of your account and appears beside your name everywhere you work, so let's make sure it looks exactly how you want it. Step 1. Accessing your account settings. To get started, look to the very top right corner of your ClickUp interface. You'll see your current profile picture or initials. Go ahead and click that avatar icon. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options. From this list, select Settings. This will take you directly to the Account Management page, where all your profile magic happens. Step 2. Locating the avatar options. Once the settings page loads, scroll down or look for the section labeled Avatar. ClickUp gives you two main ways to customize this. If you want to keep things simple, you can change the color to pick a new background hue for the default initials avatar. However, for a more professional touch, we're going to select the Add Custom Avatar option to upload your own unique image. Now, click the Upload button found under the Custom Avatar option. This will open a file dialog on your computer where you can browse and select your desired photo. Once you find it, press Open to load it into the editor. This is where you can get the framing just right. You can drag the picture to reposition it within that circular frame, and if the image is too large or small, use the slider control to shrink or expand the circle until your face is perfectly centered. You'll see a live preview below the editor showing exactly how it will look to your teammates. Once you are happy with the positioning and size, it's time to lock it in. Scroll to the bottom of the panel and click the Save or Save Changes button. To verify everything worked, just glance back up at that top right corner. You should see your new avatar active and ready to go. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.